Sample CFE questions. Let's get started. The U.S. Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act (RICO) is often used in fraud cases involving: is it A, a pattern of racketeering activity through an enterprise? Or B, single instances of embezzlement? Could it be C, only organized crime syndicates? Or lastly D, tax evasion alone? The correct answer is A. Here is why. RICO targets individuals or groups, an enterprise engaged in a pattern, at least 2 acts, of racketeering activity, which includes specified crimes like mail/wire fraud, embezzlement, etc. Option B is too narrow. A single act is insufficient. Option C is a misconception. RICO applies to legal enterprises, like corporations, as well. Option D is incomplete. Tax evasion can be a predicate act, but RICO requires a pattern through an enterprise. Next question. In payroll fraud, a ghost employee scheme is most effectively detected by: is it A, comparing payroll register to active employee lists from HR? Or B, reviewing high overtime hours? Could it be C, checking for duplicate direct deposit accounts? Or lastly D, auditing tax withholdings? The correct answer is A. Here is why. The most direct and effective control is an independent reconciliation of the payroll list, who is paid, with the HR master file, who is authorized to be employed. Discrepancies reveal ghosts. Option B might detect other types of payroll fraud. Option C could detect a related scheme, but not the existence of the ghost employee itself. Option D is a less direct method. Next question. During a fraud risk assessment, the highest risk area for corruption is typically: is it A, procurement and vendor selection? Or B, payroll processing? Could it be C, inventory management? Or lastly D, cash receipts? The correct answer is A. Here is why. Procurement involves significant spending, vendor relationships, and discretionary decision-making, creating prime opportunities for kickbacks, bid rigging, and conflicts of interest. Options B, C, and D are higher risk for asset misappropriation schemes, theft of cash, or inventory. Next question. Benford's law is most applicable to detecting anomalies in: is it A, sequential check numbers? Or B, naturally occurring transaction amounts? Could it be C, employee ID numbers? Or lastly D, phone extension lists? The correct answer is B. Here is why. Benford's law applies to datasets that are naturally occurring, span several orders of magnitude, and are not artificially constrained. Transaction amounts, like invoice amounts, expense totals, often fit this profile. Options A, C, and D are examples of assigned numbers with human set patterns, which do not conform to Benford's distribution. Next question. In U.S. mail fraud, 18 U.S.C. Section 1341, the mailing must be: is it A, in furtherance of the scheme to defraud? Or B, sent only interstate? Could it be C, containing cash payments? Or lastly D, sent to a government agency? The correct answer is A. Here is why. The mailing itself must be part of the execution of the scheme or a step in the plot. It need not be the central element, just incident to an essential part. Option B is incorrect. Intrastate mail can suffice if it affects interstate commerce. Option C is false. The content can be anything: a letter, invoice, etc. Option D is too narrow. The mail can be sent to any party. Next question. A key internal control to prevent billing schemes is: is it A, requiring three-way matching, PO, receiving report, invoice? Or B, allowing employees to approve their own invoices? Could it be C, paying vendors based on statements only? Or lastly D, using petty cash for large purchases? The correct answer is A. Here is why. Three-way matching verifies that a purchase was properly authorized, purchase order, the goods/services were actually received, receiving report, and the invoice is accurate before payment is issued. This prevents payment for fictitious or inflated invoices. Option B violates segregation of duties. Option C bypasses verification of individual invoices. Option D is a weak control for large purchases. That's it for today. How many did you score? Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and tell me what topic I should cover next. Bye.